everybody, in today's video I am going to be opening the Onion Skin journal. So if you've been following me, you know that just a couple days ago I uploaded a video where I opened the Onion Skin notepad and I loved it so much and have gone through so much of the paper already. I went ahead and purchased the journal. Now I know I have a lot of apprehension with this right off the bat just because this journal does have a lot of paper in it and I worry about being able to use it. Sorry. But I went ahead and committed to it anyway just because I loved the paper so much and the customer service was amazing. They did ship it in this protective bag inside of another mailer, so it was very well protected this time. I did notice last time that just because I had the notepad, it wasn't in this and it got bent up a little bit during shipping, but it wasn't like a big deal to me. It didn't faze me at all. So again, it's wrapped in paper and twine, which I love that old world feel. That's kind of the vibe you get anyway when you are working with Onion Skin paper. So I'm really excited. In my notepad unboxing, I did compare a lot of different kinds of paper to the paper that's in the notebook and the notepad. And it's pretty comprehensive. I really went into depth with that. So I will leave a pop-up right here for you if you're interested in seeing me compare the different paper. But without further ado, let's open this. So what's really amazing about this is I actually found the bindery before I found this company, and I want to reach, hold on, I'm gonna find it. Okay, oh my gosh, I just sat here for 20 minutes trying to find this. Okay, so here is the original post that I found, and it was through the book bindery that I saw this notebook for the first time. You can see my comment right here. These are gorgeous. Where can I find one? And then I saw this and fell completely in love. The bindery didn't actually reply when I saw this picture, but I mean, I fell in love with it instantly. I couldn't stay away. And it just so happened that about a month or so after I originally saw that picture, just totally randomly, I saw that Sky Bambi had sort of collaborated with the Onion Skin journal, Remy Road, the makers of this, and I saw the notebook again and I was like, oh my gosh, that's that notebook that I saw, the elusive notebook that I saw. And I totally freaked out, went to the website and reached out immediately, and yeah, it was a long time coming, but I have been in love with it ever since. I specifically wanted this cover, the original one that I saw, and I mean, you can see why. It's so classic, and I just absolutely love that it's handmade. It's handmade in Miami, which you guys know me. I love supporting a Florida company. So it's been on a wild ride, this journal. It was made here, shipped to Idaho, and then sent back to me. So I'm happy to have it finally after all this time. As with the notepad, it does come with this writing board, which you guys know I'm super pumped about. I love a writing board. I can't write a straight line. It saved my life. It also comes with this little bookmark that kind of gives you some more information on the notebook itself. It comes with a bookmarker right here, which is, again, super timeless. And I love the paper, the inside paper that they used here. It's really, really nice. But yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. You guys can hear immediately that it's just so nice. Oh, I can't wait to jump into this. This is a smooth onion skin insert, and you can see right here it's hand sewn, so I'm super pumped about that. But the paper is just really, really lovely. I know it's going to handle my fountain pens really well. It's going to handle a lot of things really well. I believe in my last video I compared this paper to a Tomoe River paper sort of writing experience. And I think I said then that the paper felt like tracing paper and Tomoe River paper had a baby. So if you love that experience, then you're definitely going to enjoy this paper. It doesn't have like a super thick cockled finish, which is sort of what people think of when they think of like vintage onion skin. It has that cockled finish. This, it has some texture to it a little bit, but really it's just really smooth, which I really, really love. And yeah, I'm super pumped about this. This is just so beautiful all the way around. And the fact that it's handmade, I mean, it just has that classic 40s feel, you know? It fits really well in the hand as well. It's not a very large notebook. Let me see if I have, I don't think I have my traveler's notebook, so I can't really compare, which is weird because I know it's right on my desk, but it's probably buried underneath of something. Here's a traveler's notebook insert. If you are curious, the height is pretty much the same. It's just a little bit wider. So it's not a very large notebook. You're not going to be overcome by the size of this. It's something that you can easily put into your bag. This is actually called their traveler's notebook. It's not their newer one, which has the Obodoros. I think I'm pronouncing that totally wrong, but it has a totally different image on the front. But I just love the color of this, and I love this matte print. I just really love this. Let's see if I can think of anything else that I can say about this. I don't know if I really want to do a pen test on this, mainly because I sort of did that in the last one. I can just tell you that it's super fountain pen friendly. The ink is going to dry really well. The paper compares very much so to a Tomoe River paper writing experience, and I don't know exactly what I want to do with this yet. So I'm a little bit hesitant to write in it in any form just because I don't know what I want to do. But yeah, so I mean, there's your very basic unboxing. I don't want to go too into depth because these are very popular now. They're sort of everywhere, and I gave a pretty honest opinion about the notepad as far as the paper quality. This is a handmade item, and with that you have to sort of know and expect there to be differences in each individual thing. This is not like a machine made thing, so there's going to be some like very clear handmade things that you're going to experience. Like you can see the glue right here and the fact that it's hand sewn. That kind of stuff doesn't bother me. Like I can tell the glue sort of overlapped here. That doesn't bother me at all in any way because I know it's handmade and I know this is going to last forever. The paper quality is what you are here for. You're not here for perfection. And what I always tell myself is I never seek perfection. I don't seek it in any way, in anything. So if perfection is what you're after, then maybe you need to reevaluate everything. But with a handmade item like this, as high quality as it is, you just can't beat this. The price is pretty amazing too when you consider how much onion skin you're getting. This is a lot. I mean, this notebook is very, very big. And there's just so much thought and heart that went into this product that I just stand behind it all the way 100%. The customer service was amazing. I spoke to the owner and the brand itself behind everything, and they were really nice. And I just really can't wait to start using this once I figure out what I want to use it for, because I do most of my journaling in an A5 insert, sort of the traveler's notebook vibe, and I'm happy there. I don't know if I want to move everything into this, though Anna over at Girl and Quill, she has totally inspired me to sort of shift my journaling needs and desires over to this experience, because she's making some really great layouts in this, and her experience has to be phenomenal. So that's it for me. I hope that you have enjoyed this very informal, casual unboxing. I love this and I can't wait to use it. I will leave everything you need down below, everything that I've mentioned, so that it's super easy for you to navigate everything that I have just said. And I will catch you guys later. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and go enjoy your day. Bye.